Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is making a tassel. To do this, you'll want one or more colors of yarn and scissors. Begin by cutting a length of yarn that is at least 8 to 10 inches long. Now you're going to wrap yarn around your fingers, and how many fingers you wrap around and how many times you wrap around depends on the size of the tassel you want to make. I'm going to wrap 20 times around 4 fingers. Once you've wrapped around as many times as you want, snip the yarn, and you're going to slide that first piece of yarn that you cut through the yarn on your hand and pull it up towards the top. Now you can take the yarn off of your hand and you're going to tie a knot at the top. I like to tie a square knot. That's right side over left side and through, and then left side over right side and through. Now you're going to wrap more yarn around the top of the tassel. Here's where you might want to vary the color. You can use the original color, or you might like to use a contrasting color. Wrap that around as many times as you like. You can do it once, or you could do it more for a thicker band at the top. And again, I'm going to tie a square knot. Snip that piece. And then you're going to cut the loops at the bottom of your tassel. And at this point, you may wish to trim the bottom of the tassel a little bit. And that's it. You can use the strings at the top of the tassel to attach it to whatever you're going to attach it to. Happy crafting!